So here's my lentil soup. I top it with some avocado, fried wontons, and crispy fried onions. Hey you guys, this is my oyster mushrooms with jasmine rice. I cook the jasmine rice with shallots, tomatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, and parsley. So you can serve this oyster mushroom with jasmine rice. It has a Korean barbecue sauce, or you can serve it on a Japanese baked potato. Tell me which one would you like? The baked potato with the oyster and Korean barbecue sauce, or the jasmine rice with the Korean oyster and Korean barbecue sauce. Tell me which one would you like. Leave it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Now be blessed and highly favored.